I'll join me in a little walking tour. I'm going to get showed around the accommodation, and obviously we're beachfront here. We've got a lovely little pool going on. Hello.
Waiting for the video.
Yeah, wait for the video. Checking out the accommodation.
Yes. I changed as well.
Is it good?
Yeah, I think it is better. Because at the one I had first, I didn't have a pool.
Ah, you need the pool.
And yeah, this one is just a little bit more like the one I was in before. The toilet didn't flush and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
This one, the shower and the toilet is
Better.
properly working, so that's a lot better, yeah.
Nothing like a good toilet.
A little bit less primitive.
This looks posh. Let's have a look inside. Oh, plunge pool. Look at this.
Sorry, not yet. I clean it.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, don't worry. Yeah. The wind, it blows all the things down. Oh. Wow, this is very nice. Big TV.
Yes, TV.
Loads of PowerPoints. And the bathroom? Through here?
Yes.
And
Bathroom.
air conditioning
Yes.
over here, yeah? No fan though.
No.
No, big high ceiling.
And this.
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Looking, bathroom? Yeah, I can see that shower, his and hers, big mirror. Hot water?
Water?
Oh, is it hot water or cold water? Hot water. This is very nice. And what's in there? A
Yes.
window, yeah.
Yes.
That's a window, yeah. And your own little private plunge pool. Oh, that's very nice. Well, little private villa going on. Oh, yeah, very cool. Very nice.
Where did you stay?
I'm staying near Scallywags.
Can you next?
Scallywags this way.
This way.
Yeah, near the harbour. I have a same got villa with a pool like this.
Oh.
It's just nice to jump in, cool off, night time. Yeah. Got the call for prayer going on. And this is I think that's the deluxe room.
Do you like it?
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Private villa.
Villa, I think.
Yeah.
The location is nice as well.
Yeah, right on the
Restaurants are very close, but here it's quiet. The beach is nice. Snorkeling is very good here.
so you got like Turtle Point going on here.
Mm-hmm.
He's going spearfishing, look.
Yeah, for snorkeling.
Yeah. Oh, it's very pretty. Are you staying in one of these ones?
Yeah, that one. If you want to see it, you can.
Oh, can I have a look? Oh, I'm being cheeky now. Yeah, I'll be back again in another 10 days or so, so we're looking at different places to stay.
Yeah, it's nice.
Super cheeky asking the guests to show their room.
Yeah, I think mine is like. What is it? I don't know exactly.
You rent the bike here as well?
Hmm?
You rent the bike here?
Yeah. Well, I rented it next doors at the Fantastic, but it's like 1 minute walking. And then ask for the mosquito net.
Ah,
so
yeah, you got the
probably
mosquito
best
thing
to
going
do
on.
it, because otherwise, because of the open bathroom, you can
Yeah.
check this as well.
You got a safe going on as well, yeah?
Hmm?
Safe down here.
Yeah, that's nice as well. And this is like a proper sink, nice shower.
Yeah.
Toilet is fine as well. Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
So it is nice, yes.
Yeah. The sink going on.
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you for showing me your room. I've never been that cheeky before asking to have a look at someone's room.
No problem.
Where are you from?
From the Netherlands.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know any Netherlands language at all. Oh, okay, so there you go. Thanks for watching.